Look out.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Why he's the two-time defending champion.
Yeah, man.
That just happens to be Jim Stahl.
I love how everybody else keeps eating. Hey, you should ask for another plate. Jim.
That was good.
That was like 10 seconds. He wants more.
And he was right about it too, Tony, right before the competition again.
Well, he's like LeBron. You know, he talks the talk and then delivers.
Yeah.
Actually, wait, LeBron doesn't talk. I forgot. You're having a baby too, aren't you? Yeah, we're having a baby July 17th. Free championship sponsored, you know, baby needs shoes.
Can we see how he feels about it?
Proud.
It's the proudest day of my life.
Okay, and the winner wins a beautiful Italian basket. Let's give a nice round of applause to all of our participants, ladies and gentlemen. And at this time, we're going to do something we've never done before. We're going to ask all of our participants to get up, and we're going to eliminate the two side tables, and we're going to have one special table in the center, because we're going to have a pasta challenge between myself